Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberry. Start by choosing ripe strawberries and drying them thoroughly, then line a tray with parchment paper and arrange a cooling rack. Chop 8 ounces of chocolate and warm it slowly with 2 teaspoons of neutral oil, stirring until smooth. Keep a bowl of warm water nearby to reset the chocolate if it thickens during dipping. Use low heat and patience when melting chocolate for best texture and shine. I like to use a double boiler or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring between bursts. Add 2 teaspoons of oil if the chocolate seems too thick, and keep a small bowl of warm water on hand to revive cooling chocolate. The goal is a glossy, pourable consistency that clings to strawberries without sliding off. Dip each strawberry by holding the stem and coating about 2/3 in chocolate, then allow excess to drip back into the bowl. Place dipped berries on parchment and space them so they don't touch while setting. If you want variety, drizzle with white chocolate or roll in chopped nuts or sprinkles while the coating is still tacky. Chill for about 30 minutes until fully set and enjoy chilled treats.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.